In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove color from images in Canva. By the end, you'll know 2 quick, reliable ways to turn any photo black and white or completely desaturate it, all without leaving your current design. First, open Canva and go to your design. Once your design is on screen, click the image you want to edit so it's selected. You'll see editing options appear above your canvas. Click Edit Photo to open the image tools. The fastest route to a black and white look is in the Filters panel. Scroll through the options and choose the effect called Mono. As soon as you apply Mono, your image switches to a clean black and white style. To fine-tune it, look for the intensity slider. Dragging the slider to the right increases the strength of the filter, giving you a deeper, higher contrast black and white. Dragging it to the left softens the effect for a more subtle, muted look. Move it slowly and watch the preview update in real time so you can land on the exact tone you want. This approach is great when you're after a stylized black and white result with a bit of built-in contrast and mood. If you'd rather remove color without adding any filter styling, switch to the Adjust section in the same editing panel. Find the saturation control and drag the slider all the way down to -100. This strips out all color information and leaves you with a pure grayscale image while preserving your original exposure and contrast. It's a precise, neutral desaturation that works well when you want the image to blend seamlessly with the rest of your layout. A quick note to help you choose: Mono gives you an instant black and white effect with a touch of character, while saturation at -100 offers a clean, colorless version that you can shape further if needed. You can always switch between the two to compare, and if you change your mind, use the Reset option in the panel to revert the image back to its original state. These edits are non-destructive, so you won't lose the original colors unless you choose to. As you finish up, take a moment to zoom in and make sure details look crisp. If your image appears a little flat after desaturation, a slight tweak to contrast or brightness can help, but it's completely optional. The key is to stop when the image supports your design and your message. That's all you need to remove color from images in Canva. Thanks for watching.